Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Phonics Tongue Twister in a minute, where we twist our tongues and sharpen our sounds. 1 minute, one sound. Let's dive in and see if you can keep it up. Here we have short vowels A as in a, a, a. E as in eh, eh, eh. I as in I, I. O as in oh. U as in ah. Today we are gonna talk about A as in a, like cat. Initial position apple, apple, a ant. Media position happy, fan. Now it's time for our tongue twister. So are you ready? We can listen first and we can break it down together.
A fat cat sat on a flat mat.
Again.
A fat cat sat on a flat mat.
So a fat cat sat on a flat mat. A fat cat sat on a flat mat. 3 times faster. A fat cat sat on a flat mat. A fat cat sat on a flat mat. A fat cat sat on a flat mat. Keep going. Thank you. Hope you had fun.